Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video I will show how to make French toast. Let's dive right into creating a delicious and easy breakfast. First, gather your simple ingredients: some good bread, a couple of eggs, a splash of milk, and a touch of sugar. Using thick-cut bread works best for soaking up all that yummy flavor. You'll also need a whisk, a shallow dish, and a reliable non-stick pan. This recipe is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Now, let's prepare our flavorful batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs with about 1/2 cup of milk. For that classic taste, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of cinnamon. Make sure to whisk everything until it's perfectly smooth and well combined. This ensures each slice of bread gets an even, delicious coating, setting the stage for truly amazing French toast. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Gently place each slice of bread into the mixture, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You don't want to oversoak it. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. The aroma is just wonderful. Finally, the best part, serving your delicious French toast. Serve it warm and fresh, perhaps with a generous drizzle of maple syrup. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a dollop of whipped cream. This easy guide helps you create a delightful breakfast or brunch that everyone will love. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.